Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. Okay, I just got my makeup done for today's look. I did something very different. First of all, I am wearing colored contact lenses and I did a few different shades of blue and high shine, shimmering, you know, just fun colors. I just had so much fun creating this look. Actually, this look is kind of inspired by my contact lens, this colored contact lens brand, Kilala, which is also today's sponsor. So in today's video, I'm going to show you everything I have from Kilala and how I use their products and also how I create this look step by step. It's gonna be fun, so you guys stay with me. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about Kilala, this brand, and it's an avant-garde colored contact lenses brand. And they offer many different products like prescription, non-prescription, and also daily, disposable, monthly, half-yearly, and yearly. So you can just pick your products, you can just send your prescription and select the right products for yourself. I feel like they have very trendy and stylish looks. It's definitely fun. Sometimes to change your eye color for the look, for special occasion, for photo shoot, you know, for Instagramming, things like that. Kilala is already the best-selling colored contact lens brand in Asia. Now it's available in Europe and North America, so you can go to kilalaeye.com to find their products. Before they sent me their products, I already heard great things about Kilala and I saw fun pictures, you know, a lot of makeup, beauty influencers use their products and it's on my wish list. So these Kilala colored contact lenses are approved by FDA and CE, so they're like high quality, they're safe to use. And I want to introduce two different series from their collection, the Hyaluronic Acid series and also the Anti-Blue-Ray series. I'm going to dive in a little bit more later in this video. So for this video, I have a few different styles to show you, different colors, and also some accessories from Kilala, and everything is in this box. So I filmed a little bit unboxing video when I first received this cute little yellow package, and I want to show you everything like in details. There are a good amount of little boxes and cases in this box. Start with this black one. Okay, this is for makeup. Kilala Energetic Egg Makeup Sponge. This is cute. This little kit is actually the tweezer kit. I have this tweezer along with the applicator. And then we got this silver black package. This is the Anti-Blue Light series. The color is like light brown with a deep brown ring and it's very beautiful. And it comes with just one piece, and here is the second piece. So this one pair of lenses come from two boxes. The next style is from the same series, Anti-Blue Light, and here you see this color is a little bit deeper than the first one, and the outer ring is also darker. Now I have to open the next box because two individual packages make one pair. They're beautiful. Next one, we have this little photo fruits soft hydrophilic contact lens. And this style also has a few different shades of brown colors. This is pretty bold, I would say. I think the larger diameter would definitely enlarge my eyes. The next package, this one looks a little bit retro like a cassette, and it's actually the lens case. It comes with a tweezer set and a lens case. Okay, next box, it looks like the same. Yes, that's correct, the same lens case. They sent me two of those. Up next, we have this fun big box with Hyaluronic Acid series in blue color. The style looks like in dimensional blue. And last but not least, we have some cute stickers. And this is the Hyaluronic Acid series, and these contact lenses are daily disposable and they're so comfortable to wear, trust me. Hyaluronic acid lens is actually a type of lens that has 1,000 times of water absorption of hyaluronic acid. So this one is really moisturizing, it's hydrating, it retains the moisture in your eyes. Up next, this Anti-Blue-Ray series. This makes so much sense to me because I really want some good protection for my eyes. I've been working like on my phone, on my screen, my camera screen, and just everything has a screen. iPad, iPhone, my desktop, you know, I just got so much exposure. So sometimes these blue lights can cause eye issues. So with this protection, this anti-Blu-ray series, now I can use this anti-Blu-ray series to have a protection layer, and this is like the best way and a very easy way to care for the eyes. Now let's move on to the try on. I got two different styles from this series, the anti-blue light. And actually this is the first one. It's more like a natural style because the color is very close to my own eyes, but it's a warmer and a lighter tone. I don't do this like a lot, but this applicator is very easy to use and the lens is very watery and comfortable to wear. As you can see, this contact lens enlarged my eyes like a lot. And the color looks brownish pink when I'm actually wearing it. And then the second style from the same series. And this style is very similar to the first one, but it's in a neutral tone. It still looks like my own eyes, but I feel like the color is much lighter and my eyes are much bigger. So it's just like me animated. What do you think? Let's just try the next one. Soft hydrophilic contact lenses, full of fruits. And this one is another brown, I would say, but the outer ring is much darker, like black. In the size, the diameter looks a little bit bigger than the first two pairs. And yeah, this is dramatic. What do you think? When I'm wearing this style, I feel like the standard color is very dimensional. It's lightening again. And the color of the outer ring is very deep. It's almost like black. And this just makes my eyes look so much brighter and so much bigger. So for this look, I'll be using different shades of like silver, shimmering blue, things like that. So I'll just stay with this color, and which is a light hue of blue. And this is so beautiful. That's what I'm wearing right now. Now let's move on to the makeup tutorial. I already primed my skin and this is ready for makeup. And for the first step of my makeup, let's just do the colored contact lenses. As I mentioned, for this look, this blue color will be beautiful. And also it's from Hyaluronic Acid series. That means I can enjoy the beautiful color without sacrificing my comfort. And I'll be doing a cool tone look to match the shade. Now I'll be going to my next step, which is the concealer. And I just focus on somewhere that I need a little bit brightening. Definitely want to cover the darkness under my eyes and the redness under my nose and around my mouth. So this is done. It looks terrifying, but I'll be blending it well with my sponge. Spray some water on the sponge to make it less dry, and this is one of my favorite techniques that I've been using. Now I'm going to set the complexion products using my setting powder, and this one is a little bit pinkish. I just want to cancel out some warm tone of my skin. I applied a very generous amount, especially around my eyes, because I'll be using a lot of colors today. For the brows, I'll be using a little brow gel, and the color is dark brown, which is very close to my natural hair color. I just apply a little bit more because even though they're not the center of attention today, but I do want my brows to match. Okay, now I'm almost happy. Let's move on to the next part, the eyeshadow. I got this new eyeshadow palette. I haven't tried it, but I did see a few colors that I really want to use. Like this highlight. It's not actually like a highlight. This can be a nice shimmering base. For my crease, I'll just use the shade Crease to add some depths, and this is beautiful. This eyeshadow powder is very manageable. And then move on to the highlights. Add a little bit in the center of the eyes, and then some liner color, deep, almost like purple-ish brown along the lash line. Use this flat brush to create a little bit foxy liner look. Now is the fun part. Add this shimmering blue color at the inner corner and also the middle of the lid to create this shimmering bright blue eye look. I almost like applied too much product. That's how much I love this color. Move on to the bottoms. I add a little bit brown crease color on the outer side. Added some shimmering liner at the middle part of the lash line. The upper liner is a shimmering blue color, and I use a flat brush to fox it out like a little bit more. This is beautiful. But the complexion is not done yet. Let's move on to this blush bronzer and warm up the whole look. Since the eye makeup is the hero of today, so only use a little bit bronzer on the cheekbones. That's it. Now highlight the face using this orange-ish highlighter color. Just add highlighter on anywhere I get more sun exposure naturally. Everyone has very different areas for highlighting. I learned this technique on TikTok. So the whole look is a little bit flat, so that's why I'm adding a little bit pearly silver highlighter on the nose bridge, nose tip, and chin. For the lips, I'll be using something that I'm currently obsessed with, and this shade is beautiful, and the lipstick is very moisturizing and long wearing. The muted red shade is very flattering to my skin tone. And also I'll be adding a tiny little bit gloss on the top of the lipstick just to add shine, add some dimension to the lipsticks. I understand these days people expect more products on lips. If you're using one product, you will look, just too flat. I haven't been using my strip falsies for a while, and I think this look definitely need a boost on the lashes. These falsies are pretty comfortable and they didn't really change the shape of my eyes, but they opened my eyes like a lot. They just look good. They make my eyes look longer and more open. My look is never complete without my earrings, so I think the whole look is very celestial. I picked these star earrings, like asymmetric earrings for the look. I still feel like it's very different today because I changed the color of my eyes. Colored contact lenses did make a huge difference. I just can't wait to take more photos with my makeup. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoy this look as much as I do, and I really love everything from Kilala, and this makeup look is so fun. It actually inspired me to do the makeup. This is so amazing. So for the Kilala products, I have all the links in the description. You can discover some fun colored contact lenses for yourself. And again, you can use my code for 15% off on your Kilala order. Hope you enjoy. So that's everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!